Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday to you. While it's sprinkling out here, we have a great storm coming in right now. Believe it or not, we have a 30% chance of rain tomorrow. And a 100% chance of rain right now where I'm at. I'm just out here, and right here is a luffa plant. And this is actually a sponge, and it's definitely ready to be transplanted. I have these pots here ready to go, so I'm just going to quickly set this right here. All right. Grow me some sponges, huh? I also have some lavender here. All this stuff's grown from seed, of course. And I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of these per plant also, because I love lavender, and maybe one day I'll make some lavender perfume or something from it. Now we just do the same thing here. Okay. This is not normally how you're supposed to do it, but lavender is really strong. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of these in here per this pot here. Just kind of using my hand to scoop it out of the way. Get this in a little deeper here. Okay. There we are. Hopefully they'll take over the middle soon. I'm going to do the same thing over here. It really doesn't take too long to do this kind of stuff. Okay. Go. Whoops. Get out of there. Come on now. Let's go. Whoop. Man, there's lightning all over the place today. That one is really not doing too good. The roots are not even hardly in existence. This one, on the other hand, has roots everywhere. So I'll go with this one. One. And 2. Whoops, I just felt it snap a little bit. My fault. Okay. This stuff's usually pretty resilient, so that should do it. So now in just a few minutes we have 4 lavender planted and a future bath sponge. just felt that on my skin. What a wonderful end to a Sunday.